If you're an independent musician that's interested in music business basics that can help you turn your art into more successful business, then here's 5 reasons why this new channel might be for you.
Number 1, topics.
We cover current and relevant music business and marketing basics, including how to create a marketing plan of attack, how to create a record release roadmap, and how to legally cover a song.
Number 2, Q&A.
We respond to every comment and take the time to answer your questions about things like how to get a major music publishing deal, how to monetize your music, and how to promote your music to get more fans and streams.
Number 3, presentation.
We present these videos in 4K and do everything we can to continually improve the learning experience for you.
Number 4, no sales pitch.
We don't whet your appetite with dribbles of information and then try to hook you on some expensive course that gives you the details. If anything, we ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can build up this small channel and continue to do what we do.
Number 5, experience.
Not only am I a former major label independent and DIY recording and touring artist with over 30 years experience in the music industry, I'm also the author of several music business books that are used worldwide and a professor of music industry studies at top universities. I also interview highly experienced guests about everything from how to license your music to the future of the music business to even mental health and finance issues in music. Bottom line, you guys, the reason why I do this is to help make your careers a little bit easier than it was for me. So if you're a musician who's interested in Music Business Basics 101, then welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby Borg. Let's get started by checking out some of these videos that can help turn your art into a more successful business. Peace.